Listen.
Okay, you don't want me to move my head.
Don't
You
move
just
your
want
head.
my eyes.
Just follow with your eyes. Just follow with your eyes, okay? Don't
I'm
move your
sorry.
head.
I think this just has to do with in general. Like, God, I think.
Okay, just get in the car.
That's not right. Why are you even putting handcuffs on me?
Have a
Get
seat.
in
You
the
have
car.
to get in the car.
I'm
No,
good.
no.
I'm good.
Okay.
I can see perfectly fine. I'm just,
Okay.
I'm just
All right.
upset.
So,
That's right.
okay, all right, but listen, we're just doing this test right now. Okay, that is it.
That's
I just need you to
fine.
focus. Explain later, but you are under arrest. Okay.
I'm not gonna go under the arrest.
You have to.
You don't
have a
have a
seat in the car.
choice.
Just making your okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Just making sure you're okay to drive. Okay.
Yeah, of course.
All right.
I know. I'm upset because like I followed the guy who was in front of me who pulled over to the side.
Yeah.
Okay. Ew, no exams.
Miss.
I'm sorry.
Get into the car.
Have a seat in the car now.
We don't want to have to put you in the car.
All right. Yeah. So if you just stand right there with your feet together. Okay. I'm just gonna do a test with your eyes. You have any issues with your eyes or anything like that?
If you do this, it's not right.
Okay. Have a seat in the car, please.